Hi, I'm Shelby, and I'll be taking you through a quick product demo of Hathaware. Hathaware is a project management software for construction and real estate development projects. Our tools are built on 3 principles: simplicity, affordability, and power. So let's get right into it. What we have before us is the project overview page. This page gives us a snapshot of the project. I can see where the project stands with the budget relative to the schedule and status on different logs like change orders and punch lists. It also has a shared project calendar with everyone on the project. This calendar is linked to other Hathaware apps like Schedule, Submittals, and RFIs. Speaking of RFIs, I see that a few were due last week. Let's see what the status is on them. I see that I've got a few open RFIs, but I want to focus on the ones that are overdue. This RFI is very critical to me, so I'm going to let everyone know. While I'm at it, I'm going to see if any submittal needs my attention. Yes, I see that I have one overdue submittal. The first version was revise and resubmit. Let's see what's up with the second version. It's been approved, so I guess I've missed it. I'm going to mark it as approved. And now I'm up to date with my submittals. Now that I've addressed some of the RFIs and submittals, I want to take a look at the project schedule. To make it easier for me to view, I'm going to collapse some line items. The superstructure is close to 36%, and the framers are at 10%. Let me see how many floors they can actually work on. The framers can work on 2 floors. This is a little concerning to me, so I will bring it up at the next contractors meeting. And since I'm already here, I'm going to copy the schedule over to a new project that I just started. After reviewing the schedule, I'm ready to go over the current payment application. Application number 4 is the current payment application. Let's take a look at what we're drawing. I see that we are drawing $625,000 for the superstructure. This puts it at 35.6% of the total line item, which is right in line with what we saw in the project schedule. Now, let me take a closer look at what we are drawing for. I see that the second floor is being drawn at 100% and the third floor at 50%. Once again, this is in line with what we saw on the schedule. This application looks good to me, so I'm going to approve and finalize it. I'm noticing that I just received an in-app notification. It's a new RFI response. Let's check it out. It's that critical RFI from before. The design member has responded to the RFI, attaching relevant files. This is good, so I'm going ahead and closing this RFI. So far, I've showed you tools like RFIs, submittals, schedules, payment applications, and how they are neatly presented in the project overview page. But Hathaware is a lot more than that. With products like bid management, change orders, drawing management, daily reports, punch lists, and much more, Hathaware is everything you need to manage your projects. If you want to learn more about Hathaware, you can visit us at www.hathaware.com and request a live demo. You can also reach out by sending an email to contact@hathaware.com. I hope you found this insightful, and thank you for your interest in Hathaware.